Hello and welcome back to our next scrap channel. Today look at what I found. I found lots and lots of keyboards, so let's try to grab it up quickly. We're gonna have to jump in here. So I did ask permission, as always ask permission when you get skips like this. He said yes, so let's grab it all. Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, thank you.
You want them in there for your video or not?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Got a few more, okay?
Okay. So we got some televisions. Right here, you just dropped some televisions for me. And I got some keyboards. Wired keyboards. Nice. I'm not gonna say no for wired keyboards. Fan. Oh, we got some first aid kit. Ooh. Keyboards, lots of keyboards. Very nice. Yeah, just rest them down here. Thank you. Looks like I have to go and get my trailer in a minute.
You want the microwave as well?
Yeah, I'm just taking the cord out of it. Let's grab this. Phone recorder. So we could get the back for it. Here it is. Got the back and some other cables. Okay, there's so much stuff to do. Yeah, I will go and get it later. Photocopy. Not the photocopy because it haven't got much metals in them. Yeah, but these are going to get my trailer in a minute.
Okay. That's it, mate.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Be careful, there's glass in there.
I will. Such a nice guy. Okay, shift this out. Let's see, that's it. Yeah, just looking for the batteries because batteries I have a place where I bring to them.
Okay.
Yeah, safe. Instead of being in the landfill, I bring somewhere to support it.
In the back corner,
Yeah,
big battery.
a big battery. Yeah.
On the left hand side, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get here. There's some mouse, but I haven't got the dongle. Let me get phone. Oh, nice, very nice. Thank you.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy.
Right, so I'm 100% sure.
Yeah.
Nothing else under here is electronic.
Okay.
It's just papers, plastic,
All right.
glasses. Yeah, that's it.
So what I'm gonna do, gonna put these. I'm gonna cut the cords off. They put this here, and then take my trailer, and then come back and collect all of them for you. Thank you. Getting them cables out. It's raining, so you're gonna have to be fairly quick. You have to come back. That's a big battery. Oh yeah. Okie dokie. Let's jump down. Oh, that's my buddy. I'm gonna call the guy with the van. Come and collect it. Scrap all day long. I'm gonna collect all of these. So definite. Getting some of these here. And he said nothing else in here. Okay, so let's grab that and grab this one, put that here. Put that here. Yeah, I think instead of bringing all this stuff home, I will just call one of them drivers with a truck and they could just come and collect it right now. Okay, gonna collect them laptops, not laptops, keyboards. It's a nice fan. As always, you know. Put it in here. A lamp. Gonna grab the lamp here. Take all of these wires. That's the thing, when I don't have the trailer, I always come across stuff like this. When I do have the trailer, nothing. That's why I don't bring the trailer out with me all the time, because it's a pain in the butt with the trailer. Problem is I got only one bag. Okay, we put this here, and then we have these. Definitely will take. Bag is full. So I'm gonna call guys to come and pick this up. Wow, look at what I've got. I've asked permission. They tell me yes, so let's grab it out. Nice tub. So I'm gonna get all my tools out so we can get all of this stuff out. Let's put the tools down. Let's see, we have this to unscrew. Get this out. gets the pin. Nice brass. This other one here. Oh yes, nice press. Nice bit of chunk of brass. Some nice aluminum here. Gonna have to grab it. All the good pieces in. Oh yes, that's what I love finding. Lots and lots of wires and some switches. Wires and switches. Let's see how I could get up here. Oh, lots of wires. Nice. I need to cut some stuff out of the, so I could pull it out. Wires out of here. Whew. Some nice wires. Oh yes. Gonna grab it all. Nothing much in here. Plastic. That's wires. More wires here. Wires in the pipes. Put it here. Definitely gonna collect all of these. Take the pipe off, some wires in there. If I could pull the wires out of the pipes would be good, but let's grab them quickly. Some wires in here. Okay, let's grab that. Oh, nice. Some nails in there, be careful. Get these out. pull this one out of this. Oh yes. There you go, this one has some wires in here too. Just gonna cut it here. Something brass in here. I think that's it. This one looks like it has some wires in here. I don't know if I could grab it out and cut it out. Oh, here we go. So gonna have to cut it. I don't know if I could pull it from here. Let's do this again. Just open it up with a sharp pliers. And there we go. I could break this off again. Oh yes, nice. Okay, I think that's it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, at the scrapyard, gonna go and see how much I could make. Alright guys, on my way just from the scrapyard, I made 46 pounds because the last time I checked it was £1.80, but with scrap prices always goes up and down, so you always have to check. So it was the £1.90, so I made 46 pounds. Not bad. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. See you later.
Copper, brass, aluminum, they're mine. Scrap assassin, yeah, I'm on that line. Cashing in on every single find. I'll hustle for that metal, that's my grind. Copper, brass, aluminum, they're mine. Scrap assassin, yeah, I'm on that line. Cashing in on every single find. Not curious, I'm serious, pulling in that way. No one better than me, I'm here to dominate.